Hey guys, just sharing a quick video on a motor mount on a, this is a 95 Toyota Corolla. A little old of a car, but motor mounts on these. Problem I'm having, it's shaking, it's making the cars loud, like when it's running, it's like really loud. So a simple test while the motor mount was on, just to test it out, all I did was I took a pry bar, put it onto here, and then I just pried it from here a little bit just to give it a little bit of lift, and sure enough it went really quiet as soon as I did that. So then it pointed me to the motor mount, so I'm going to change the motor mount on it. I have two motor mounts. There's one there, that's the old one there. It seems pretty loose. This one seems okay. I am putting on a used one, but it seems a little tougher than that one. Like I said, it's not as rubbery and it's a little more solid, so I'm going to put it on. But it's pretty simple to change. It's not simple. It has these two 15 mil bolts underneath, 14 mil on the top. Sits in here like that. There's a 13 there, I believe it's a 13. Two 14s, a 14, if I'm correct. And then yeah, these are 14, sorry. I believe they're all 14s. If they're different on yours, then they're different. That's the way it goes. But yeah, it's simple. It's just the two 14s. I moved the reservoir, the windshield washer fluid reservoir out of the way. That comes out pretty simple. It's a 10 mil bolt here. This one's broken. And then it just pulls up. This will just pull up. That'll sit inside that little there's a little notch right there that goes in down there, and then this goes in here like this, and then it'll pop in there just for easier access, and then it just moves out of the way just for easier access on the motor mount. But yeah, two 14 mils, and don't forget to jack your motor from underneath. Just put something under there to hold it up. I just put a jack with a 2x4 on the oil pan and didn't put too much pressure on it because you don't want to bend the oil pan. But yeah, it's simple. Take those I just used a ratchet for those ones, a ratchet for that one, ratchet for this one, and then I had to break the two 14s underneath. You can go from underneath and reach up with a long extension. I just used a box end on this side, and I have this fancy ratchet that'll bend, and I used that one just to break it from this side. And then once I broke it, I had a ratcheting box end wrench and took it out from this side. It's not bad. It's pretty simple. Sorry for not showing you exactly how I took it apart, but it's if you know what you're doing, you know where the bolts are, they got to come out. You should be able to figure out how to get it out. Simple stuff. Anyway, that's on a 95 Toyota Corolla. That's motor mount replacement. That's the passenger side motor mount. 95 Toyota Corolla. This one's in okay condition, but yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.